This is the memory flap unit that we've been using since 2016. It has timing validation circuits underneath the cylinders, as you can see here. So if a cylinder or a valve is too slow or too fast, it will sense that, and in this case it will stop the machine. When we designed it, it is for any Cremer CF1220 machine. It works on any Cremer CF1220 machine. It works with a Bluetooth dongle that connects to this unit, like so. And then you can turn on your iPhone, you can connect to the Bluetooth dongle, and then you can read all the timings from the cylinders and the valves. What we're going to do now is I made this small circuit over here. Very simple. But with this circuit we can actually connect it to the HMI. So then we can view all these timings from those cylinders on the HMI, which is always available, rather than an iPhone that every time when you want to see the values that you need to connect to that Bluetooth dongle. So that's what we're going to try out today. So this is the setup that we're going to test with. The circuit is here. It's got an RS232 connection to the HMI over here. And then when we check the settings or the timings, those are the timings of the cylinders. So now we're going to load it up with some products, and then we see how the timings are doing. Okay, we've loaded up some products now, and now we're going to keep an eye on the timing. So we turn on the conveyor. Start the machine. Set the timing. Track full, well, that went well. So we're up to the next test. So for the next test, we'll set one of the timers a bit critical, so that hopefully it will time out, and then it should give us a low air pressure error message. Let's choose the forward arrival time, so that's the moment when the cylinder is all the way at the end. I see 52 is the maximum here. Let's set one to 53. Let's check out the, let's set this parameter to 53 milliseconds. So if it's 53, it will time out. So let's hope that that will happen this time. There we go, straight away. And yes, there's a beeper in this as well. Because we don't have communication with the original Cremer HMI, so there's a beeper in this unit, so that you know there's something wrong with the timing. Now if we check, so we can see alarm, low air pressure, and then we can see that channel 12 timed out, channel 8, channel 7, channel 6, 5, 4, 2 and 1. Maybe that's a little bit too critical. So let's go up to 55 milliseconds and then see what happens. 54. If I change it to 54, actually, yeah, it doesn't time out, so it only times out on 53. But at least you can see that this works. Okay, let's try another setting now. Let's do the reverse arrival time. Reverse arrival time is about 60 milliseconds. So let's set it to 61. Let's set this one to 60 so that it won't time out. Okay. Then we start the machine again. Okay, blood pressure. There we go on 62 milliseconds. Try that again. Here we go, 61 milliseconds. So you can see that channel 2 is actually a little bit slower than the other channels. It's still well within the limit. Normally, if this is 85 milliseconds, it's perfectly fine. But you can see that this clearly works.